Your civic person will come to you in 60 minutes or less. Hey everyone, my name is Kyle. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're having a lovely day. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I sincerely appreciate it. In today's video, we're going to be talking about manifesting a civic person, and I'm going to be sharing with you a very powerful technique that will help you manifest your civic person in 60 minutes or less. So I'm really excited to share this with you because it is very powerful. You're going to get really crazy results. Right now, you might be thinking this might be a little too far-fetched, that this almost seems impossible, like there's no freaking way that my civic person is going to come in 6 minutes or less, but I'm going to be telling you right now that it is very possible. The power is in your hands, in your court. You are the creator of your own reality, and that there's a couple of things that might be preventing you from manifesting your civic person. Before we jump right into this video, I do have a free manifestation cheat sheet guide available, and in this guide I'm highlighting 34 of my favorite manifestation tips and tricks. And if you're kind of struggling with your manifestations, or you want some clarity around your manifestations, definitely check this freebie guide out. If you're interested in that, just click the link down below. And without further ado, let's jump right into this video. Manifesting comes down to what we believe to be true about ourselves. And this is what Neville Goddard really talks about. And if you don't know who Neville Goddard is, he's just a really prominent law of attraction coach. And he talks about that your beliefs and what you manifest is what you believe to be true, and your manifestations are the things you want to manifest in your life come down to what your beliefs are. So it really comes down to your belief system. And so if right now you might be thinking, my civic person is just not my area, or you might be thinking, I just don't deserve love, or that you're so caught up in all your inadequacies that there's just no possible way that the civic person is going to show up and ask me out because they think that I'm ugly, or all of these things that you tell yourself. You just think maybe you're not good enough for your civic person. And so if you believe that about yourself, then that's going to happen to be true. But if we just suspend those beliefs for just a teeny tiny bit and open it up just a little bit and believe that anything is possible, what would your life be like? You would be like now that yes, I can have my civic person. That civic person is going to text me right now and ask me out on a date on my favorite place, or that they don't even care what I really look like. They like my personality, so they don't care if I have pimples on my face, or I don't have straight teeth, or anything like that, or I don't have the job that I'm really after right now. So if I'm not making X amount of dollars, that my civic person is not going to find me attractive. Those things are just going to be thrown out the window because anything is possible. And so we adopt new beliefs and we insert new beliefs about ourselves, especially when it comes to manifesting a civic person, and we just love and adore ourselves. That civic person is going to be right around the corner, going to be asking you out. And so in this visualization exercise, I'm going to be walking you through a really fun visualization that's going to help you adopt new beliefs about yourself. We're just going to come from a blank slate, kind of refresh our belief systems, kind of give it a nice little shake, because right now the things that in the beliefs that you are telling yourself right now are called limiting beliefs. And limiting beliefs are just lies that you tell yourself, and it's like the ego that is trying to almost protect you by telling you these lies. And if you believe in those lies that say that your ego might be telling you right now that you're ugly, you're not good enough, the civic person's just not in your area, or I'm just like not destined for love. If you really believe in those limiting beliefs, that's is why it's not happening for you. And like they're just lies that you tell yourself. And I learned the hard way about it because I had so many limiting beliefs and I believed in them, and I didn't accomplish certain dreams because I believed in it. And like limiting beliefs are literally just dream crushers. So if you have those beliefs creeping up right now, just let them speak, but just calmly let them go, because I'm telling you right now, they will deter you from your dreams, what's possible. And right now, your dream right now is to be with your civic person. And so this visualization is going to help you start from a blank slate and just going to revitalize your belief system that yes, it is very possible. So now I'm going to start the visualization exercise. And what I want you to do for the next couple minutes that we have together, honestly, which is a little longer, but the next couple minutes that we have together, I want you to suspend your beliefs. And I want you to kind of just take a step back from the things that you think are true to everything that you think that is, like, you know, oh, this is impossible, oh, manifestation takes too long, oh, my specific person is not here, I don't deserve love. We're going to suspend our beliefs and we're going to start from a blank slate when it comes to doing this exercise. And all you got to do is listen to what I have to say in this visualization exercise, and you're going to repeat what I'm saying in your head coming from a blank slate, and you're going to get some really, really crazy results. Okay, so at this time, I want you to close your eyes, take a deep breath in, and let the stress kind of melt away your body, off your neck, off your shoulders. Get nice and relaxed and choose right now, in this moment, suspend all beliefs. Suspend all beliefs. Anything is possible. Miracles are common, everyday things. I can get whatever I want with the snap of my fingers. I can get things fast. Miracles happen all the time in my life. I expect them. I'm grateful for them. And they come easily for me. With that mindset, listen and repeat after me. I am deeply and internally grateful for all the miracles that happen in my life, especially the miracle in which I receive my specific person within the next hour. Ah, yes. Breathe in that. Feel the gratitude that you are about to receive them in 60 minutes or less. Listen and repeat that one more time. I am deeply and internally grateful for all the miracles that happen in my life, especially the miracle in which I receive my specific person within the next hour. Ah, yes. I can sit with that feeling that anything is possible. The miracles are everyday, common, normal things. That miracles blossom all the time in your life. Your life, that's just who you are. That's just how your life is. Take one more deep breath in with me, in through the nose and out through the mouth. You can open your eyes at this time. Alrighty, so how did that make you feel? So you must be feeling absolutely fantastic. You're gonna feel gratitude, just feeling grateful, happiness, joy, and that yes, it is very possible that you can manifest anything in your life, especially when it comes to manifesting your specific person. You might throughout the day, since it is pretty fresh, that your limiting beliefs will kind of sneak right back in and tell you, no, you can't do that, or that your specific person is not here. Just know that those things will happen a little bit, but you're just going to let them speak, but just let it go. Be relaxed and say, you know, that I'm still feeling good in this moment. I'm feeling really great, and that you're still feeling like everything is possible, and holding on to that feeling as much as you can. And when you're in that chilled out, free-flowing feeling experience, and you're just milking that for as long as possible, that's when your specific person is going to arrive. And watch what happens within 60 minutes or less. That yes, that specific person is going to be texting you. Yes, that specific person might be on Tinder when you go on Tinder, or Hinge, or any other dating app. Or yes, that specific person might message you out the blue and be like, yeah, do you want to grab dinner with me at this restaurant, you know, or I always had a secret crush on you and I just don't want to admit it, and it's just going to be so out of the blue, and you're going to be like, oh my goodness, because, and the reason why it's going to happen is because you're in that free-flowing state, you're in that flow state, that you're like, yes, this is very possible, you're feeling light, ecstatic, feeling really grateful. When you are like that, your just like you're not clinging on to the resisted beliefs that you had before about this isn't possible. And when you think, yes, this is possible, the opportunities are endless because you're now in that, your energy is now matching all the opportunities out there for you. Instead of you kind of limiting yourself, you're going to be unlimited, which is going to be so fantastic. Watch what happens in the next 60 minutes when you expect miracles. When you are feeling very grateful for everything that you already have, even if you don't have those things, you're feeling grateful for them. And when you are like that, you are opening yourself up to all the possibilities. And that specific person is going to come to you. Whether it is a phone call, a text message, I love you. Like, what is going to happen to you is going to be so freaking exciting. And the reason why is because this visualization is going to just open you up to all the possibilities, and you're going to be open up to all the miracles that can happen to you. And so I'm super, super excited to hear what's going to happen to you. See, I'm so freaking excited for you. I really want to hear what your SP is saying to you in the next hour. Just leave it in the comment section down below. If you do have any questions for me about law of attraction, please leave the comments down below as well. I'd like to hear from you. Maybe I can help you manifest your dreams, manifest your specific person. So leave a comment down below. I'd really appreciate it. If you like this kind of content, just hit the like button and subscribe to me. I'd really appreciate it. It helps the algorithm out. As well as if you're wanting to make someone fall absolutely in love with you, I do have a video up here. Just click the card above me. I'm not sure on which side, but click the card up there and that will take you to the next video that will help you make someone fall madly in love with you. And I'll see everyone in the next video. Bye!